I'm going to show you how to receive money on PayPal. So the first way and the most easiest is basically sharing your email address. You can go to your PayPal account and sign in and then click on the settings icon here. And from the account tab, you should find your email address here, the primary one. You can copy it and send it to whoever is trying to send you a payment. And they can just send the payment to your email address and you should get it on your PayPal account. The second way is to send a payment request. You can click on send on the top here, and this should open up the send page and then switch to request. Now you will need to enter the email address of whoever is trying to pay you. So you can search for name, username, email, or mobile phone number, or you can pick from existing ones here that paid you already. For example, you can pick anyone and then press next and then specify the amount of the payment request. For example, like this. And you can choose a currency as well by clicking the currency here. And you can also add a note if you want and then click on request a payment. And it should tell you that you requested $1 from whoever is trying to pay you, which means the request is sent. And there is also another way to send or to ask for payments. You can go to the send tab again and this time click on more on the left, on the right side. And then you can create an invoice, click on get started. And then you can click on create new invoice and fill out the informations here. And then just send that invoice to whoever is trying to pay you. And the last way to get paid is to use the paypal.me link. You can access that by going to the Send tab, More, and then click on Manage your paypal.me profile. And this should take you to your profile where you can copy your link or add, which is this one, and then send it to whoever is trying to send you money. And they can use that to send you payments directly. That's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and see you on the next one.